My name is Denver Yee. Section 1-Year 2-9. My topic is what could be the application of IoT on the maritime sector. Number 1. Remote monitoring and maintenance. Float sensors can be deployed on ships and maritime equipment to monitor their performance and condition in real time. This data can help predict maintenance needs, reduce downtime, and optimize vessel efficiency. Number 2. Safety and security. Lot devices such as cameras, motion sensors, and biometric scanners can enhance security measures on board ships and at ports. They can also monitor environmental conditions to ensure crew safety during voyage. Number 3. Cargo tracking. Enable tracking device can be attached to containers and cargo shipments to provide real-time location updates. This improves logistics management, reduce the risk of theft or loss, and enhance supply chain visibility. Number 4. Environmental monitoring. Sensors can monitor water quality, air pollution, and other environmental factors in ports and maritime areas. This data can help mitigate the impact of maritime activities on ecosystem and comply with environmental regulations. Number 5. Smart ports and infrastructure. Technology can optimize port operations by automating processes such as berth allocation, cargo handling, and vessel traffic management. Smart sensor can also monitor port infrastructure for maintenance needs and safety hazards. Number 6. Predictive analytic for weather and navigation. Data combined with AI algorithms can provide predictive analytics for weather forecasting and route optimization. This helps ships avoid adverse weather conditions, reduce fuel consumption, and optimize voyage efficiency. Number 7. Crew health and wellness. Device can monitor crew health metrics such as heart rate, sleep patterns, and exposure to hazardous conditions. This data can help prevent fatigue-related incidents and ensure the well-being of crew members during long voyage. Number 8. Energy efficiency. Sensors can monitor energy consumption on board ships and identify opportunities for optimization. These include optimizing engine performance, HVAC systems, and lighting to reduce fuel consumption and emissions. Overall, LOT technology has the potential to revolutionize the maritime sector by improving safety, efficiency, and sustainability across various aspects of maritime operations. My name is